Hello, my dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are fine. Stay home, stay safe. I am Sifat Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT. Everybody welcome today's my ICT class. Okay, now let's see what is our topic of today's class. Our topic is wireless communication, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and WiMAX. First of all, we know what is wireless communication. Wireless communication system is the process of exchanging between multiple devices and without using any type of wire. That's called is wireless communication. Now let's see what are the necessity of wireless communication. Cable can be used to connect where it is not possible. This technology used in the security of important installations. Wireless communication is used to radio and TV for broadcasting. This technology used for live video broadcasting and internet access multiple devices from anywhere. Okay, now topic is Bluetooth. It's the most latest technology. Bluetooth advantage of Bluetooth can communicate wireless device within 10 to 100 meters. Bluetooth is a packet based protocol for master slave structure. Bluetooth can be configured automatically. It can be automatically. You have no any other required configuration for this Bluetooth. Okay, now you know if it has advantage, you must another thing is disadvantage of Bluetooth. So now let's see what are the disadvantages of Bluetooth. Now let's see the disadvantages of Bluetooth. First of all, what are the disadvantages? It is not possible communicate over a distance more than 100 meters. Data transfer rate relatively very low, and Bluetooth internet speed is much lower. Data transfer security is very low. You know its distance is maximum 100 meter, so that without 100 meter this work is not working. Now the latest most recent technology is the Wi-Fi. What is full form of Wi-Fi? That means wireless fidelity. Now Wi-Fi is another family member of wireless communication. Its standard is IEEE 802.11. Okay, this technology used in local and global LAN area, and a device connected through this Wi-Fi within a range, but its internet speed is more than Bluetooth internet speed. So let's see what are the advantages of Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi bandwidth is 10 Mbps to 50 Mbps, and Wi-Fi cheaper than LAN. LAN means local area network. Wi-Fi any quality will work anywhere in the world. Cause of its standard is IEEE 802.11. This standard maintained all over the world, all are the same. For that, you or me anywhere just turn on my Wi-Fi and we are access internet through Wi-Fi. It can be depends on your device. mobile, laptop, computer, anywhere. And another thing is Wi-Fi coverage is so available in a wide range of internal range, anywhere, any place in the world. I shall discuss lots of advantages of Wi-Fi, but a few disadvantages present in Wi-Fi. So let's see what are the disadvantages. Okay, data transfer disadvantage of Wi-Fi. Data transfer is slow, quite slow. It is difficult to coverage without a specific area. That means if you have not coverage Wi-Fi but you turn on your device Wi-Fi or are not connect to internet for anywhere, it may your home, college or friend's house or any other restaurants, shopping mall, all over. Okay, network security at a risk. That means if you offer anywhere a public Wi-Fi, if you free connect and access this internet, but it's warning for you, do not use this public Wi-Fi for free cause of its security reason. If you use this public Wi-Fi for your device may be hacked or clone anything else. Okay, this is the latest technology. After that next evolution of Wi-Fi, that is called WiMAX. That means maximum Wi-Fi coverage. WiMAX is another family member of wireless communication. WiMAX, Bangladesh, only two company operates this WiMAX. One is now in this present time only one organization have to provide WiMAX connectivity. The organization is Bangladesh. Okay, what are the advantages of WiMAX? Broadband internet can be accessed in a wireless way. That means you may use broadband internet but it can wireless. Advantage of WiMAX: service are also available in remote area. That means in your village or any hill tracts area, Bandarban, Khagrachari, Rangamati and so on. Another thing is secure internet connection facility can be provided WiMAX, and connections can be made to portable device. If you use WiMAX, you may use any other portable device, mobile, tab, laptop, all are portable device can be used this WiMAX service or connection. So some disadvantages of WiMAX are present here. What are the disadvantages? Data rates are extremely slow and interrupts other wireless devices. If you run WiMAX, it interrupt another wireless device, another Wi-Fi network, and more power is required. On the other hand, Wi-Fi needs low power, but WiMAX required more power, and implementation and management are very expensive. If you get a connection of WiMAX, you spend a lots of money for this because it's an expensive connection, wireless connection. So always we use the Wi-Fi connection. Dear students, thanks to all for today's class and participation and patience here. Students, that's all. today's class. If you have any confusion, just ask your subject teachers. Okay, Allah Hafiz.